Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rhythm Heaven Fever on mobile. First, you'll need an emulator, which is software that allows your phone to run games from other systems. For Rhythm Heaven Fever, a Nintendo Wii emulator is essential. Dolphin Emulator is a fantastic and widely used option for Android devices, offering great compatibility. For those on iOS, you might need to investigate alternative emulation solutions to get started. Next up, you'll need the actual game file, known as a ROM. Think of a ROM as a digital version of the game disc for Rhythm Heaven Fever. It's super important to make sure this file is compatible with the specific emulator you've installed. Also, for your safety and device security, always download these game files from reputable and well-known sources online. This step is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once you have your emulator and game ROM, it's time for setup. Install the Dolphin Emulator app on your Android device. Then, within the emulator, you'll find an option to load your Rhythm Heaven Fever ROM file. After loading, take some time to adjust the emulator's settings. This can significantly improve performance. You can either configure the on-screen touch controls or, for a better experience, connect a Bluetooth controller. To get the best experience, consider optimizing your setup. Try experimenting with different graphics settings within the emulator. Sometimes a slight adjustment makes a big difference in smoothness. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to free up valuable system resources. For truly precise gameplay, a physical Bluetooth controller is often superior to touch controls. Now, you are all set to enjoy Rhythm Heaven Fever on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.